Okay, welcome back once again to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about some standard temperature and pressure. Then after we are going to discuss about the combined gas equation, and last one, that is the ideal gas equation, and some unit of R, right? That is a gas constant. So let us start first of all that combined gas equation as well as the standard temperature and pressure as well as the volume. First of all, before discussing this, you all know that Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac law and Avogadro's law, and related to that the examples are there. What is the relationship is there between the pressure, volume and temperature? Okay, so now let us start first thing, that is the standard temperature and pressure. Standard what? Temperature and pressure right? What is standard temperature? Standard means what? Standard means we can say that let us suppose if here the standard temperature, we can say the temperature is how much? Temperature, that is a standard, we can say it is a 0 degree Celsius. 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस को हम स्टैंडर्ड बोलते हैं, तो उसके केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो 273 केल्विन. So you all know that 273 Kelvin temperature, that is the standard temperature. Okay, now pressure, if you want to write down the standard pressure, then it is 1 bar. It is 1 bar, and that is equals to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Understand? It is equals to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Okay, now for 1 mole of gas, for 1 mole of gas, the volume is 22.4 liter volume is there. Understand? This is also standard, and here I can also write down that 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, that is a atom is there, or molecules is there, or you can say ion is there. Understand? का तो एटम है या मॉलिक्यूल्स है या तो फिर आयन होंगे, राइट? सो 1 मोल दैट इज इक्वल टू 22.4 लीटर, दैट इज एसटीपी. अगर कोई आपको ऐसा पूछे कि एसटीपी में 1 मोल ऑफ गैस, 1 मोल ऑफ गैस दैट इज इक्वल्स टू उसका टेम्परेचर कितना होगा, तो 273 केल्विन टेम्परेचर इज देयर, राइट? 1 बार दैट इज अ प्रेशर इज देयर, राइट? एंड 22.4 liter volume is there. Is it clear? और हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं कि 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atom is there for 1 mole of gas at STP, right? अगर ये सवाल आपको ये एग्जांपल्स में आएंगे कि STP द 1 mole of gas, तो STP आया तो प्रेशर कितना होगा? 1 bar. See, it is not specified that the pressure is 1 bar. आपको मालूम ही होना चाहिए कि एसटीपी पे प्रेशर कितना होगा? 1 बार. टेम्परेचर कितना होगा? 273 केल्विन, एंड वॉल्यूम कितना होगा? 22.4 लीटर फॉर 1 मोल ऑफ गैस. दैट इज द कंसंट्रेशन, दैट इज 1 मोल. अंडरस्टैंड? सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी हैव टू नो एट द स्टैंडर्ड टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. इट इज रिटन एज जस्ट लाइक अ एसटीपी. ओके, नोट डाउन. Okay, now let us see next point, that is a combined gas equation. What is combined gas equation? See here, next point, that is combined gas what equation. Okay, now what do you understand about the combined gas equation? You all know that what is a Boyle's law? Boyle's law, that is give the relationship between the pressure and volume. So I can say V proportionals to 1 upon P. Now what is Charles' law? What is Charles' law? That V proportionals to T. Now, if you combine both these things, then the V will be common. So I can write down V is proportionals to T upon P. So I can write down PV equals to KT. K, that is the proportionality constant. So I can write down PV upon T equals to K. For initial pressure, that is equals to P1, then volume equals to V1, and temperature, that is equals to T1. Okay, and final pressure equals to P2, volume equals to V2, and temperature, that is equals to T2. So I can write down that the combined gas equation P1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2, and that is equals to K. Understand? So if any one pressure is not given and all the things will be given, so with the help of this equation you can find out that particular things, right? So related to this, the example will be there. Whenever in the example, if the pressure, volume and temperature is given and only one volume will be missed, and if you are going to find out the next volume, that is V2, then you can find out, subject this and you can find out the value of V2. Understand? So this is how the example will be asked related to this topic. Okay, so note down, and then after we are going to discuss about the ideal gas equation. Okay. Now next one we can say the ideal gas equation. Maximum examples will be asked according to this ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. So according to the Boyle's law, we can say V proportionals to 1 upon T. Charles' law, we can say V proportionals to T, and Avogadro's law, we can say V proportionals to N, right? So here the V will be common, so V proportionals to NT upon P, So I can write down PV proportionals to NT, right or not? Okay, so I can write down PV equals to nRT. Well, you can say that P, that we can say it is a pressure, partial pressure, that is a pressure. V, that is a volume of gas, N, that is the mole of gas, T, that is a temperature, and N, that is R, here R, that is equals to gas constant. See, all the things you know, this and this, but this gas constant, that is depends upon the pressure as well as the volume, the unit of pressure and volume. Okay, it will be constant, but how which value you have to take for gas constant R, that you have to know. So this is all about the PV equals to nRT, that is the ideal gas equation. Okay, and now we are going to discuss that at what time the value of R will be taken, that is a 0.0821 or 8.314, कौन सी वैल्यू कहां पे हमको लेनी है R की, तो ये बात हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसके बाद. चलो पहले ये नोट डाउन कर लो. Okay, now let us see value of what, that is a R. See here, value of gas constant R. Okay, first of all you have to know that according to ideal gas equation क्या है, तो PV equals to NR टी। हमको आर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, तो आर को सब्जेक्ट करो चलो। तो आर इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, पीवी बाय एनटी। नाउ व्हाट इज पी, दैट इज प्रेशर। I can write down here pressure into volume divided by mole into what, temperature. Understand, right? Now first of all, what do you understand about the pressure? So force upon area, that is pressure. So pressure equals to what? So force divided by area and multiplied by volume divided by mole into temperature. Understand? Yeah. So force, यहां पे मैं लिखता हूं force divided by area. तो we can say that area will be in the form of meter square. Okay. Volume will be in the form of meter cube divided by mole into temperature. So here you can say that force multiplied by meter upon mole into temperature. So this we can say work function. Work function divided by mole into temperature. So the unit of R that is equals to work function into mole inverse into Kelvin inverse. Understand? So now for different value of pressure as well as the volume, you can get the different value. You have to take the different value of R. Let us see that if first one, if pressure is given in atmosphere and volume in liter, then यहां पे R equals to PV by NT. P means 1 atmosphere, V means 22.4 liter, divided by mole means 1 mole, and temperature means 273 Kelvin. Okay, so now you can get 0.082. यहां पे आपको मिलेगा 0.082 what, atmosphere, liter, mole inverse and Kelvin inverse. This is the value of R. अगर कोई भी एग्जाम्पल में हमको प्रेशर एटमॉस्फेयर में दिया हुआ है और वॉल्यूम लीटर में दिया हुआ है, तब अगर हमको कोई भी टेम्परेचर फाइंड आउट करना है कि या तो मोल फाइंड आउट करना है, तो पीवी इक्वल्स टू एनआरटी इक्वेशन आएगी। तो आर की वैल्यू कौन सी लेनी है आपको, 0.082, राइट? ओके, सेकेंड वन इफ द प्रेशर विल बी गिवन in atmosphere, pressure is equals to atmosphere and volume that is equals to centimeter cube. So now write down R equals to 1 atmosphere multiplied by 22400 centimeter cube divided by 1 mole into 273 Kelvin. So the answer will be 82.1 atmosphere centimeter cube into mole inverse and Kelvin inverse is the value of R, right? Now third one, let us suppose यहां पे अगर जूल में लिखना है, तो अगर प्रेशर विल बी गिवन इन डाइन एंड सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, जूल में लिखना है, अगर R की वैल्यू जूल में लिखनी है तो R इक्वल्स टू 8.314 क्या आएगा, जूल, मोल इनवर्स एंड केल्विन इनवर्स, राइट? फोर्थ, अगर हमको मालूम है कि 4.184 जूल दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 कैलोरीज, सो 8.314 जूल equals to how many calories? So I can write that R that is equals to 2 calorie, Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. Understand? Is it clear? और किलो कैलोरी में लिखना है तो R equals to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilo calorie mole inverse and Kelvin inverse. Most probably we are going to take the value of R, that is a 5. It will be given that if the pressure will be given 1 bar, 1.015 bar, right, or I can say 1.015, okay, and volume will be given, if the pressure is given in the bar and volume will be given in the liter. So value of R, that is equals to 0.15 bar multiplied by 22.4 liter divided by 1 mole into 273 Kelvin. Understand? So calculate this. You can get approximately, यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा, चलो, yes, so this you can get approximately 8.314 into 10 raised to minus 2 bar liter Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. Understand? So this is how you have to take the value of R for the different value of pressure as well as the volume. Most probably हमको R की वैल्यू ये लेनी है, क्योंकि एग्जाम्पल में प्रेशर बार में दिया होगा और वॉल्यूम लीटर में दिया होगा, राइट। अगर प्रेशर बार और लीटर में दिया है तो हमको R की वैल्यू क्या लेनी है, 8.314 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is the unit is bar, liter, Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. Understand? So this is how you can write down the different unit of value of gas constant R. Understand? So here we had completed the different topics, 4 different topics which we had discussed today. First one that we had discussed, that is the standard temperature and pressure. Now you all know that what is standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature means 0 degree Celsius temperature is said to be the standard, or you can also say 273 Kelvin. Pressure, that is a 1 bar, and 1 bar that is equals to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Okay. Then after we had also discussed that at for 1 mole of gas the volume is 22.4 liter. उसका volume कितना होगा, 22.4 liter, right? And if you want to find out the 1 mole of gas, the how many total number of atom is that? So 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. वो atom भी है या molecules भी है या तो ion भी है, right? Then after we had discussed second point, that is a combined gas equation. यहाँ पे combined gas equation means Boyle's law और Charles law को combine किया और combined gas equation बनी. जैसे कि Boyle's law क्या था कि V proportional to 1 upon P, and Charles law V proportional to T, right? So from that you can say that for initial and final, P1 V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. Okay. Then after we had discussed the third point, that is the ideal gas equation. Now you all know that what is ideal gas equation. That is also similar to that of combined gas equation. One more law will be combined, and thus you can get the PV equals to nRT, right? That is the ideal gas equation for all the gas. Okay, where P, that is a pressure, then V, that is a volume, N, that is the moles of gas, R, that is a gas constant, and T is a temperature. Now which value will be taken for the R? Why? Because it is a gas constant and the value should not be given to you. If this value is not given to you and you have to put yourself the value of R, then you have to know that when you put the value of R 0.082, when the pressure will be given in atmosphere and volume will be given in liter, then you have to take the value of R is this. When the pressure will be given in atmosphere centimeter cube, then this one, right? Dyne is given, then 8.31, that is a joule. Then calorie में लिखना है तो ये लिखो, और अगर बार, liter, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse तो ये. But most probably, as we discussed, that you have to take the value of R is this one, right? Why? Because in maximum examples, the pressure will be given in the form of bar and volume will be given in the form of liter. Understand? So up to here, it's enough, right? Tomorrow we are going to discuss some examples related to all this topic. Okay, so first of all, write down all these things, and then after in the next video we are going to discuss the examples. Okay, so thank you very much.